Welcome to all students, BA Part Cycle, Semester 3rd, Subject English Literature. In last video, we have learned Part 2nd of the chapter The Essay. Today, we are going to learn next part of this chapter. Next part depend on the particular the periodical and social essay, reverse personal essay, etc. So here firstly we are going to discuss the periodical and social essay. So here is a periodical essay means particular duration or particular period. Those essay are published. It is called periodical essay. Means particular after 1 week or quarter, this essay have been published at that time. It is called periodical essay. And particular this essay on the social issues. Means there is a social issues, information about society. That's why it's are called social essay. So remember different between two. So here we are learning about the periodical and social essay. With the rise of journalism, essay began to appear in the periodicals. So there is a means origin of journalism from the journalism. Means there is a work of journalism to publish the newspaper as well as a magazine or essays. Through journalism, these essays are published. Richard Steele and Joseph Addison are known as a master of periodical essay. Yes, already we know. This is Richard Steele. He wrote Spectacle Club and we study Spectacle Club in Unit First. So that is also periodical essay. After that, both wrote an essay, Tatler. Also, Tatler is periodical essay. So, Tatler which exposed fault and the artificial life. He also wrote on the bonus of the affection. In particular, Tatler is wrote on the social background. That's why it is a social essay. He recommended a general simplicity in the dress and behavior. He also became the editor of the Spectacle in 1712. Also, both Richard Steele and Joseph Addison wrote Spectator in 1912. Sorry, in 1712. Both wrote Spectator in 1712. Richard Steele and Joseph Addison employed the essay to serve to social purpose. Yes. Periodical essay was also adapted for literary criticism and character sketches. Character sketches attain a high degree of perfection in this period. So here is also character sketches. Means in essay their characters are important and they focus on the character. Jonathan Swift was a more satirist than essayist. So Jonathan Swift wrote essay in satirical manner. Johnson's essays appear twice weekly in the Rambler. So there is a Rambler also, and it is appearing weekly, written by Johnson and Idler. Both are essay are periodical because these are appear in weekly. That's why Rambler and Idler are periodical essay. His essay shows good sense of humor and command over language. Dr. Johnson lectures while Addison and Steele speak to us in equal terms. Oliver Goldsmith's essay contains charm and delightfulness. The like also Oliver Goldsmith wrote periodical essay and his essay depend on the charm and delightfulness theme. So these are the periodical and social essays information. Next, we are going to learn the reviewers. So here we will discuss about the reviewers. At the beginning of the 19th century, the periodical newspaper gave rise to the critical journal called the Review. Yes, beginning of the 19th century, reviewers are arised. It was not concerned with the social or political topics. It is the main concern what literature and criticism, and they are the concern with the literature and criticism. So remember, means reviewers based on the literature. That's why there is a reviewers most work in the PhD thesis. The best known early reviewers were the Southey, Scott, Hazlitt, Maclay, and Carlyle. These writers wrote the reviewers. These are Southey, Scott, Hazlitt, Maclay, and Carlyle. So these are the famous essayists. So you also read about them. You search about more information about them. These periodical disclose politics, literature, and philosophy. So these periodical concern with the political themes, literature themes, and philosophy themes. So that is the reviewers. Next information of reviewers, like simultaneously their view of the periodical other type called the magazine. Yes, some essays are published in also magazine. In different from the review, Blackwood's magazine, the London magazine, Farser's magazine. So there is also magazine is published. Was published by the Christopher North, De Quincey, Lamb, Coleridge, Thackeray, and Carlyle. So this writer published this magazine. So here by Christopher North, De Quincey, Lamb, Coleridge, Thackeray, and Carlyle wrote essays for the magazine. Leigh Hunt's best work appeared in his own paper, Indicator. So here is Leigh Hunt wrote the Indicator magazine. William Hazlitt was also a famous contributor to be Examiner. So here is a William Hazlitt, best or the greatest essay he wrote, the Examiner magazine. The tradition of the critical essay was carried out in the Victorian years by Matthew Arnold, Walter Pater, and John Morley. So here is a Matthew Arnold, Walter Pater, and John Morley. These are the belong to Victorian period writers. Also they wrote also essays. Next step of the essay, that is personal essay. So here is we are learning about information of essay. So here is a personal essay. During 19th century, several writers wrote personal essay, and we know Montaigne wrote personal essay. Also, this writer followed the style of the Montaigne. The leader was Charles Lamb, who wrote essays of Elia. Yes, me Charles Lamb wrote personal essay. Jan Dream Kindred personal essay is prescribed in our syllabus. Already we study of this essay. His essays are combination of the learning, fancy, humor, and sentiments. Already discussed about Charles Lamb. His essay, humor, learning, relative, based on the family background, like that. Other people who wrote personal essay were the Leigh Hunt, Hazlitt, Thackeray, and De Quincey. They also wrote essay. But none of the equal Charles Lamb. He is known as the prince of the personal essays. Yes, Charles Lamb is the prince of the personal essays. Means very short answer questions. Like this question is asked in very short answer question. And last step of this essay is recent time. So now we are learning about recent times essay. Who wrote now essays? So here is weekly and periodical newspaper give and the ultimate scope to the essayist. Yes, in recent times also weekly and periodical essay are famous. Many of the contribution we offer call articles. It is a difficult to divide today's writer into personal and impersonal essay. There is also in modern era or recent era there is a personal and impersonal essays are famous. The objective and the impersonal essays in the court Edmund Gross, Pepper, Andrew Long, Virginia Woolf, T.S. Eliot, Aldous Huxley, E.M. Foster, and Charles Lamb. They wrote the impersonal essay, means they focus on the objective essays. Another type of essay is the personal essay. So, personal essayists are G.K. Chesterton, E.V. Lucas, A.G. Gardiner, Robert Lynn, and J.B. Priestley. They wrote personal essay. So, like that, this chapter has been finished here. In next video we will know next part of this essay. Thank you.